Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha. In today's video, I'll talk about how to avoid heat rashes in infant and children, which is a major concern during summer, and what are few simple home remedies. Simple tips I'll start with. At first, when you know your child sweats a lot, dip a cotton cloth in water and squeeze out the extra water and wipe the child's skin. Do it frequently if your baby sweats a lot and ensure to pad dry. Next, avoid massaging regularly. You don't have to do it daily when it is summer. Weekly once is good. And cover them up with loose cotton cloths. Even if you're worried about mosquito bite, something which covers their whole body is fine, but a breathable cotton is important. Yeah, AC or fan can be used for children, but ensure the temperature is moderate. Not that we use it at 20 degree, 19 degree for a baby or a newborn child. So something moderate. And home remedies are very simple. This is not something that you will have to worry and take your child to doctor. So at first, rub ice cubes. Do any one of it, okay? Let's not do everything. You can either rub ice cube or neem paste, sandalwood paste, or you can even try aloe vera gel. These are some things that you can try at home. Even then, if your baby is suffering, baby is in pain or discomfort or is having fever, please take the child to doctor. Stay safe this summer. Bye-bye.